If you have ever tried editing a PDF file, you already know how frustrating it can be. Many PDF tools require software downloads, complicated interfaces, or expensive subscriptions. So today we're reviewing a platform called Zendocs that promises to make editing and managing PDFs much easier directly from your browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you what Zendocs is, how it works, the main features, pros and cons, and pricing, so you can decide if it is worth trying. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up. Let's dive in. Now, what is Zendocs? Zendocs is a web-based document processing platform designed to help you work with PDFs professionally and quickly. Instead of installing heavy software, Zendocs runs directly in your browser, which is perfect for persons on the go, whether you like to use it on your mobile device or you like to use it on your PC or laptop. All you need to do is simply go onto zendocs.com. That means you can convert your PDF files, edit documents, sign files, organize and manage PDFs, all without installing anything on your computer or mobile device. This makes it especially convenient for people who need quick access to PDF tools. Now, who is Zendocs for? Zendocs is designed for both individual users and teams. It is useful for freelancers handling contracts, also business managing documents, and students working with reports, or teams collaborating on files. In fact, if you frequently work with PDF documents, tools like this can save you hours every week. Now, how Zendocs works. Zendocs keeps things simple with a 3-step workflow. First, you'll upload your file by tapping on Upload from your device. After you have done that, you can select the PDF that you would like to edit. Once you have selected the PDF, you'll tap on Open. After you have selected Open, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. From here, you can choose to edit, convert, or sign. So you'll go to the top navigation bar and you'll be given numerous options. You could choose to edit it, you can choose to add text, you can change the page layout, you can also sign by adding your signature, highlight, add an image, text highlight. There are numerous options that you can choose from. You could also select more tools and you can see different tools that you will get access to right there. Now, when you're finished doing it, all you need to do is simply tap on download, and from there you have different formats that you can quickly download. The goal is to make document processing quick and straightforward. Now, let's say for example I would like to edit a particular section. All I'll need to do is simply tap on Edit Text. After you have selected Edit Text, you can tap the section that you like to edit. And by the way, as you can see right here, it has selected every text section on the document. So you can choose what you would like to edit. So for example, if I would like to change the amount of days right here, let's say I would like to change it to 7 business days. I can do that, as you can see right there. And if it is a case that I would like to add a text box, I can do that. So I'll simply tap on Done. After you have tapped on Done, you can go back and you will tap on Add Text. So you can tap on Add Text right there, and you'll be able to add text to any section you want by simply tapping on the section. You can add text, as you can see right there. Also, if it is a case that you would like to sign, you can tap on Sign and you'll be able to create your signature. After you have created your signature, you'll tap on Done. And from there, you'll be able to drag and place your signature wherever you want. And you can also adjust the size of the signature by simply pulling along the box, as you can see right here. So you're given numerous options that you can choose from. Now, let's quickly go over the different features that Zendocs offers. One of the biggest advantages of Zendocs is that everything happens online. You don't need to install software. You simply open the website and start working with your files. So for instance, I'm on my mobile device. All I'll need to do is tap on Upload your file, then tap on Choose File, and I'll be able to choose the PDF that I would like to edit. This is helpful if you switch between devices, work remotely, and need quick document edits. Because the platform runs in your browser, it's accessible from almost anywhere once you have internet access. The second feature that I want to talk about is your full-featured editor. Inside the editor, you'll be able to modify text, add images, and also adjust page layouts. You can also reorganize document pages. So for example, if I would like to edit the text, I'll simply tap on Edit Text. Another thing that I also want to talk about is you can tap on the text box. Once you have tapped on the text box, you'll be able to select the text section that you want to change. So for example, let's say I would like to change the section that says manager. I could simply tap right there. After you have done that, I'll be able to delete that particular section, as you can see right here, and I'll be able to add in whatever I want. So let's say I would like to add in assistant. I can type in assistant right here. Just like that, I'll be able to also edit the font that I have used. So I can tap on the text section, and you can see the different font sizes that I could change it to, as you can see right there. So this is a very good feature that makes it possible to update or customize PDFs without needing specialized software. For example, you could update a contract, add a signature file, or modify a report. The third feature that I want to talk about is secure file handling. Security is an important concern when working with documents. Zendocs uses secure HTTPS encryption to protect file transfers. This helps ensure that files uploaded to the platform are handled securely. There is also optional password protection, which allows you to add an extra layer of security to your documents. This can be useful when sharing sensitive files. And the fourth feature is batch processing. With Zendocs, another useful feature is their batch mode. If you have multiple files to convert or process, Zendocs allows you to handle them in bulk. Instead of converting files one at a time, you can process several documents at once. This can save a lot of time when working with a large number of files. The next feature that I want to talk about is their export mode. Zendocs also supports exporting files in print-ready formats. For example, you can export it in PDF, you can export it in PowerPoint, PNG, JPG, or Excel or Word, so you're given numerous options. These formats are also used by professional printing or designing workflows. This makes Zendocs useful not only for editing PDFs, but also for preparing documents for high quality output. Now, let's quickly go over the pros and cons when it comes onto using Zendocs. First, let's talk about the pros. Quick browser-based PDF tools with no installation required, full-featured document editor, secure file handling with HTTPS encryption or large-scale file conversions, and export options. Overall, the platform is designed to make document processing fast and accessible. And when it comes on to pullbacks, since it's browser-based, you'll need an internet connection to use it. Also, advanced users who rely heavily on desktop software might still prefer specialized tools. For most everyday document tasks, Zendocs provides a convenient solution. Now let's talk about the pricing. Zendocs currently offers a 7-day trial starting at 99 cents. This allows you to test the platform and explore the features before committing to a full plan. For users who frequently work with PDF files, this trial can be a good way to see if the platform fits their workflow. In conclusion, is Zendocs worth trying? If you are looking for a quick browser-based solution for editing and managing PDF files, Zendocs offers a simple and convenient option. The combination of online tools, document editing, features, and batch processing makes it useful for many everyday document tasks. If you want to give it a try, you can check the link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching.